Hi everyone, and welcome to this course of CSS Responsive Web Design. For the course, we'll be creating this full website, but just the design, just the CSS part. The HTML, I'm going to provide a full document with all the HTML tags and all the pages, so we don't have to spend time on that. So as you can see here, I made this website. It's very small, but covers all the main features of the responsive web design. You can see here that this website is responsive. If I resize the screen, everything changes to adapt to the size of the screen. You can see even the menu here disappears. If I click, it appears here. If I increase the size of the screen, the images change as well. So this is what we'll be making in the course. Now for the HTML and all the documents required for the course, you can go to the following website. I'll leave the link in the description of the video. I'm going to post all the course in this website here. You can see I'll have different courses, and we'll start with the introduction. So you just go to the link that I'll give you. Start. You have some instructions here in case you need more information, and the material will be here. This is free, no need to register or anything. You just go to the link and click here. So you'll get the document. Okay, now we have it here. Let's go to the desktop and I'll paste it here. Okay, perfect. Okay, now that I downloaded, it's very important that we change the format of the document, because so far this one is a text document. We have to change it to HTML. I'm going to use the Atom text editor. I'm gonna create a folder for the course. CSS Web Responsive Design course. CSS Web Responsive. Let's put this in here. Okay. Now that I have the folder, I'm going to include it in the program. Perfect. This is the document we downloaded. So now we should change the extension of the document. Instead of txt, we'll leave it at HTML. And let's change the name, it's too long. So it's gonna be index.html. That's it. So if we open, we have all the HTML code of the homepage that we need here. That's it. Let's see now if we go to the folder and open, Now we see that we have all the content. We have the pictures, the text, we have the footer here, and we even have the the title and the navigation bar, but it's everything all disorganized. So what we'll make is we'll add all the styles and and make it responsive, so it's going to look like this. Okay, now for the styles we need a different folder as one different file as well. Let's call it styles.css. Perfect. Let's make sure that in the index we include it. We have styles.css. Yes, it's already included. We have these styles, and we'll just set up the main styles and the basic format of styles that we'll be using in the course. So it's important to always include this is to add styles for everything. So what I always do is just add a margin of 0 pixels and padding of 0 pixels, just to make sure that everything we don't have like spaces that we don't know where they came from. It's good to have this. For HTML, we're gonna make it display block, a width of 100%. That is the size of the browser, and the same thing for the body display block with 100%. That's it. Perfect. So far we are good. Also, we'll have to use another file called responsive.css. Okay, so in style.css we'll keep all the normal styles, colors, font, sizes, the font families, all that. But here we'll make the different styles between different sizes of a screen, and we'll do it by media queries. Use media screen. We'll use these media queries, but we'll do it in the next video. And that's it. So this is the introduction. On the next video we'll start with the navigation section.